Hey, what is going on, guys? Rudolnel here, come back at you with another batch tutorial. Alright, now, I'm gonna get the Windows command line ready to roll, along with Notepad++, and, we can get things started, because today, I want to be showing you guys another little tidbit about the for loop, and the for command that we've been looking at just recently. In fact, we've kind of had like a mini-series going on, because it's really crazy and really long. There's a whole lot to learn with this loop. But the thing is, one of the real awesome parameters we've been looking at just recently is the -f tag. And along with getting information from files, the -f tag also allows us to get some of the output from a command that we've run. So let's go ahead and try this and see what we can do here. I'm actually going to create a new script anyway. Call mine script.bat. We can replace whatever's there. Get the skeleton code, set local, and enable. I was gonna say end local for a minute there. Enable delayed expansion. Go to the main. Create the main. Yada yada yada. Go to the end of file. Okay, cool. We're in business. We are all set. Now we're in business. Now we're all set. I had to change something there. Okay. Actually, let's create a for loop though. Let's do /f for our -f tag. We're going to want our name of our variable, and then we're going to want what we're going to be working with. Normally, we would just supply the name of a CSV. I made that mistake last time. That's pretty embarrassing. We just need the -f tag. We need our variable here, and we can supply options later on. But normally we would be using the name of the file, but in our case, what we want to do is use two single quotes, which is the regular version of the quotations, and then we can supply the command that we want to be looking through right here, and I'll use cd. Okay. Now we can do, what we'll do is we will echo -g. Now when we run this, it'll get up to C users John, and it has a problem here because right after it is a space. And remember that the delimiter by default is a space, so we need to be able to change that. We want to change the delimiter. So how about delims can equal just a / as usual, and now we get everything. We get our whole, we get the full path that we're in. Because if we were to run cd, that is the output it displays. But what if we wanted to make this a little bit more versatile? What if we wanted to actually get a purpose in this program? Let's say we wanted it to be able to return the drive that we're in. It doesn't care about the path, it doesn't care about wherever we are, it only cares about what drive we are currently in. So the way we can do this, if we think through it, we can actually go up until the first path notation, or that backslash. And then the token is by default 1, so it'll be really, really convenient that we can just get the drive letter and the colon that we need to determine that that's the drive that we're in. So if we set the delimiter to be this one here, we could set tokens to be 1, and it'll get the information that we need when we run our scripts. I ran the cd command there, don't worry. And but when we're using tokens, we could supply anything else. We could actually supply a different one that we're retrieving. And really, that's all. But let's go ahead and try this. C. Now remember, this tokens equals 1 is a little optional because it does that by default, but it is returning the C drive. This is the drive that we're in. So what we've done is we've actually looked at the output of the cd command, and then we've gotten the first token from a delimited field inside that command. Or at least the output of that command. So we can do a whole lot more with this. This is actually pretty useful because we can pass in whatever command that we'd like, and we can still get information from it. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a pretty easy to understand and simple example, but there's a whole lot more you can do with this, and I encourage you guys to be a little bit creative. Once you get more information and more knowledge about commands, there's a whole lot more you can do. So thanks again, guys, though, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.